Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy, certified pre-owned, and loaded with features. Features also include remote start, keyless ignition, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Come test drive the 2018 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, security system, cruise control, child safety locks, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio. Come see the car for yourself.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.